My name is Juan Fokosi, and this is a video guide on how to navigate the Logbook platform. So the first thing you want to do is to go on your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Just key in logbook.org. This takes us to the home page of the Logbook platform. Next thing you want to do is either sign up or sign in. For a first time user, you sign up as to register. For an already existing user, you log in. So for a first time user, you put in your name, your surname, email address, your telephone number, your password, agree to terms and conditions, and then you register. I'm an already existing user, so I just go ahead to log in. Just put my details here, and we're in. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to teach you how to order a book. Yes, add a book to your cart, order a book or a past question, and then check it out as the case may be. Before we do that, let's just explain a bit. In the Logbook platform, you can search for a book or a past question here. You can add a book or a past question to your wish list here, and add a book to a past question to your cart here, as I'm going to show you in the video. You can track your order here, and then you can talk to our customer support here in case you have any issues or problems. So this is the homepage of Logbook, as I said earlier. There are a couple of books and past questions here, so I'll just go ahead and get the GDS 420 past question, Biblical Principles in Personal and Professional Life. So when I click on it, it takes me to where the past question is situated. I then add it to my cart, and then yes, it's already on my cart, so I just click on it and then check out the past question here. After I've done that, it takes me to the checkout page. So for a first time user, you have to key in your billing details, your name, your address, your postal code, your state of origin, your country of origin, and etc. I'm an already existing user, so I did that the first time I used this platform. So it's already stored in the database of the website. So I just continue here. Agree to terms and conditions here, and then continue. Yes. So for me to confirm my order, I would have to look at the price. For the past question here, there's no price attached to it, so I just confirm my order here. This might take a bit, but okay, we're done. The order has been placed, so I can continue now. Soon I've continued, I'll receive a mail from Logbook saying my order has been placed. Okay, to purchase a book on Logbook, to order a book on Logbook is basically the same process as getting a past question. You could either search for the book here, just put in the keywords and then search. You could sub the site for the book. Then I'll just go ahead and get a book on the home page. So I'll just get this book publishing here. Then it takes me to where the book is situated. I then add the book to my cart. You can see an item has been added to my cart. I go ahead and check out the item here. Then it takes me to the checkout page. For a first time user, as I said earlier, you have to key in your billing details, your name, your address, your phone number, state of origin, postal code, etc. But for an already existing user, these details are automatically on the site, so you just continue, accept terms and conditions, and then continue. And then you have to check the payment. It's $1,250 for the book, and then you just pay to complete the order. When that has been done, it redirects you to the payments page. Logbook is secured by Flutterwave. There are different ways of making payments. You could pay with your card, just put in your card details, your validation date, CVV, and then make your payment. Other alternatives include USSD, to pay via Barter, pay via Paga, and etc. When you have made your payments, you receive a notification saying your order has been placed and your payment has been received. You also receive a mail saying your order has been placed and your payment has been received. That mail is courtesy of Logbook. With that said, that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.